Viewer subscription is advised.
Moisture, then of course cold air, and as this warm moist air flows over the snowpack helps to cool this warm moist air to its dew point. That means that any moisture in the air, that water vapor, can then condense into water droplets, or what we see as fog. So we see this process underway. That's how the snowpack can actually enhance the amount of fog in the area. But furthermore, the fog could actually eat away at the snow. You may have heard of snow eating fog. That's because that condensation process actually releases heat and causes rapid melting of snowfall. In fact, more rapid than the warm moist air melting the snow itself. So a pretty incredible process. You'll notice a lot of that snow melting out there today as we're seeing this warm air flowing in. This is warm for March standards. Our average high in the afternoon this time of year is around 43 degrees. So for us to get into the upper 40s, that is already above our average afternoon highs. Here's that visibility showing just how thick the fog is this morning, down to about half a mile visibility in Plymouth and even lower down toward Cape Cod. For Boston, I expect by 10 a.m. we'll see improvements, but the fog and showers linger longest heading down toward Cape Cod. We are going to see our next round of rain by the middle of the work week, but with that one, I expect we'll see some mixing with snow on Thursday night as cold air makes a comeback. Here's those showers on the radar. They're pretty scattered and light. Let me kind of focus you in here, because for Boston, we have some of these showers passing through. They extend up through the North Shore. You can see they extend up toward 495 north and west of Boston, and there's some scattered hit or miss showers through Metro West and heading out through much of Worcester County. So keep that umbrella nearby. These showers will start to shift over eastern Massachusetts as we travel through the next hour or so. And then you'll notice by 10 a.m. most of the showers are confined to southeastern Massachusetts. Here we are at 1 o'clock, and at that point there's still some rain down toward the south coast, Cape and Islands. So it's really not until the 4 or 5 o'clock hour for the Cape and Islands that we've completely get rid of the rain. And notice by the 4 o'clock hour, we're seeing some slivers of sun north and west of Boston. I expect by sunset this evening, we'll see more of signs of that as we continue to see a clearing out process. So we top out in the mid to upper 50s today, with the exception of Cape Cod, where we're stuck in the 40s. That wind off the water and the fog and showers keeping us a little cooler down there. We all cool down tonight to the 30s, but a very strong rebound tomorrow. Mid to upper 60s possible here, just about 63 for Boston. So it is a warm outlook for sure. We hold on to that heading into Tuesday. Shower chances Wednesday, but I think the rain on Thursday will be more widespread. And as